Hello and welcome back to the fourth video in our mini series of lessons for beginner students. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. We've been talking about jobs that people may have, and today we're going to continue with that theme. We're going to start with this list of jobs: student, artist, doctor, chef, banker, architect, athlete, and photographer. But today, we're going to talk about something a little bit different. We're going to talk about pronunciation. And in particular, we're going to talk about syllables and syllable stress. Okay, this is an important topic that many people overlook. So, we should start with, what is a syllable? A syllable is basically the beat of the language, the beats of the word. Some words that are longer will have many beats. Some words that are shorter have one beat, maybe two beats. Let's look at a few examples that will help you understand. The first example, Canada. The second example we're going to talk about is banana. How many beats in the word Canada? Think about it for a second. Canada. There are 3 beats in the word Canada. And you can see the breakdown here. Can-a-da. What about in banana? Banana. Oh, again, there are 3 syllables here. And they are ba-nan-a. In the word Canada, though, which syllable is stressed? In this case, it's the first syllable. It's Canada. Canada. But it's not the case in banana. Which syllable in banana is stressed? It's the second syllable. Banana. Banana. Here are 2 more examples. My name, Brian, and the verb take. My name has 2 syllables. Brian. Bri-un. 2 syllables. Take is just 1 syllable. Take. So in my name, which syllable is stressed? Think about it for a minute. Brian. Brian. It's the first syllable. And take, there's only 1 syllable, so the whole word is stressed. Take. Now, why do we need to know about syllables? If you're talking about syllables, most of the time you're thinking about pronunciation. You want to improve your pronunciation. And that's true. It does help. But I think there's a different reason that is also very important. To illustrate my point, I'm going to show you a couple of numbers. If we look at 18 and 80, when I say these words, 18 and 80, they sound very similar. They both have 2 syllables, but when we look at the breakdown, 18 and 80, the stress is different. We have 18. Normally when we speak, the stress is on the second syllable, 18. And when we have 80, the stress is on the first syllable. So when you are listening to other people speak, you can listen for that stress. 18, 80. This will help you to understand people when they are speaking English. So I think syllables can help you with your pronunciation, but understanding syllables and syllable stress can also help you with your listening. Okay, let's do some more practice. Okay, so we're going to start with 4 of the jobs that we mentioned earlier. Student. How many syllables in the word student? Think about it for a minute. There are 2. Student. Now, which one is stressed? Student. It's the first syllable. What about the job artist? Artist. If it helps, clap it out or snap your fingers. How many beats in the word artist? How many syllables? Again, it's 2. Artist. Which one is strong? Which one is stressed? The first one again. Doctor. Doctor. How many syllables? That's right, there are 2. Doctor. Which one is stressed? The first one. Again, we see a pattern here. In these first 3 jobs, It's the first syllable that is stressed. But I've thrown in a tricky one here. Chef. Chef. The clue here is there's only one vowel, so there can only be one syllable. Chef has one syllable, so the whole word is stressed. Now, let's look at 4 more. There's a couple of tricky ones in here. Banker. Banker. Banker has 2 syllables. Banker. And it's the first syllable that's stressed. Banker. Banker. Now what about architect? This one's different. There are 3 syllables. Architect. Which one is stressed? Architect. Again, it's the first one. Athlete. Athlete. There are 2 syllables in athlete. Athlete. Which one is stressed? It's the first syllable again. Athlete. Now, we get to the very difficult one at the end here. Photographer. Photographer. Remember, use your hands. Clap it out. How many syllables? Photographer. There are 4 syllables in the word photographer. Photographer. Which one is stressed? Photographer. Photographer. It's the second syllable that is stressed. Photographer. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember, the next time you learn a new vocabulary word, take a few minutes to learn how many syllables it has and which syllable is stressed.